Okay, welcome back again. So in last video, I have given you one simple calculator assignment, right? On the basis of our if-else condition discussion, how you can take the user input and then you can perform the operation against that and you can print the result, right? So the assignment was we were told to take the input from the user, any two number, right? And then we need to give a kind of operation menu, like if we choose add, then the operation add will be performed and it will print the result. If we chose subtraction, then it will gonna subtract those two number and then it will print the result, and similarly division and multiply, right? So let's see very simple solution for this calculator based on this if else condition, right? So first of all, what I will do is I will just say Kelsey menu, right? I will do this. See why? Let me start with the single quotes first, right? Choose your operation, right? And then I will say one to add the number, right? And then I will say two to subtract the numbers. Fine. And okay, subtract TRACT. I am very bad to type anyways. Then we will say 3 to multiply the numbers, and then the last one is 4 to divide the numbers. All right, so that's what we have discussed, right? But first of all, I will show you one thing. Remember that bonus information from our series, right? Where I have given some example of the single quotes and double quotes, right? So here you can see that it is giving the terminated, right? Because this is not, we are not ending this. So what I will do is, I will just enclose this in the triple quotes. Now it will not give, but here one more problem is, that is why I was take this value as a this one. So here you can see that it is not printing in the way that we want, right? So what I will say, do is I will use the print statement here, print, and this one. So now you can see, now it looks very good, right? Choose your operation, and based on whatever the operation you all gonna choose, we will perform the our stuff, right? So that is what I just wanted to show you. So let's back to our solution, right? That's fine. Now I will just take the first number. Okay, first I will just print some gap here. I'll just put some star so that it look good. Okay, then I will take first number equal to int, and then I will take the input, because int is converting number to the integer form, right? Enter first number. All right, then I will just say second number, and then again I will do the same thing. I will convert this to input, enter second number. Fine. Now what I need to do is I need to do that operation, right? Now we have the like the menu, right? If we chose one, then what we need to do is we need to do this. If we choose to two, then we need to do this, right? And then we need to give a menu operation, right? Then we'll say operation. Okay, let's say ops is a variable, and what I will do is again I will convert this to input, and I will say enter your operation number, and I will take this as a input. Fine, that's done. Now if ops equal to 1, right? So what we need to do is we need to do the result equal to first underscore num plus second underscore num, right? Then what I will do is if ops equal to 2, then the result will be first num minus second num. Clear? Now the next condition is elif if ops equal to 3. Fine. Now the result will be first underscore num multiply by second num. Fine. And elif ops equal to 4, then the result would be first 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 underscore num, and we will divide by its second second num, right? Else we'll print this operation is not allowed. Fine. So I think we are good. Let's see if our solution will gonna run. Okay, here we missed this. Fine. So now it is asking enter the first number. Okay, we are not printing the calculation. Let me do one thing. 3, 2, and 2. And we are not printing the result as well. So we have a done mistake, small mistake here. So I'm gonna print here calc menu. Fine. And we will print a result, right? What is the result we got? So I will print the result again, and I will say print equal to, not equal to, like we are resulting the print. So now it is giving the choose your operation, right? Then enter the first number. I am gonna print 4. Then second number I am gonna print 2. Operation I am just want to add this, right? So it is just adding 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Let's see. This time I am again printing 4, 2, but this time I am gonna subtract. So it is giving 4 minus 2, 2, right? Now let's see division. 4, 2, and this time I'm gonna print 3, 4, 2, 8, right? And the last one is I'm gonna again 2, 2, and I'm gonna divide. So it is giving the 2.0, right? Let's say if he is giving that operation apart from these four numbers, right? Let's say 4, 2, and I'm just saying 8, right? So it is say this operation is not allowed, but it is printing. Why? Because the result value is already set in the previous execution, right? So you need to make sure that you are discarding that value, right? So that you can use. So what we can do is we can set here del result. Fine. Now let's see if I'm printing 4, 2, and I'm say 7. Uh, name result is not allowed. Yeah, because we are deleting this. So you need to find out the solution. I will just leave it to on you guys, right? Because del result is like it is just deleting that particular variable, right? So that is why it is not finding that particular result. So what you can do is you can print that solution, whatever the print you are doing here, right? Instead of here, what you can do is you can print here as well. And here and here. Let's say now I will go to and I will say 8. So it is saying that this operation is not allowed, right? And if I am printing the 4, 2, and let's say operation 3, then it is giving me the 8, right? So that is the small solution for the simple calculator. Just go through this, and if you already tried to execute it, so please make sure that you're doing the right way. There are n number of ways to calculate to define the calculator, right? I just chose the simple way just to start with, right? So if you have done this with another solution, then please comment out that your solution. I will just see that what you have done with this, right? So that's it from the day. I will meet you in the next where we will start the loop, for loop and while loop. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with me. And please support me to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. I will meet you next. Bye bye.